Modern life is placing pressure on the human system. Pressure on the body, pressure on the mind, pressure on attention, energy, clarity, and recovery. But health is not isolated. Performance is not isolated. Wellness is not isolated. Everything is connected. The way we think affects how we decide. The way we recover affects how we perform. The way we regulate affects how we live. Nexora Health Systems is built on this understanding that human health is not only something to manage after something goes wrong, it is something to develop daily, intentionally, structurally, through awareness, through better habits, through clearer reflection, through stronger routines, through systems that help people restore stability, optimize performance, and move toward a healthier life. Nexora is not about noise. It is not about quick fixes. It is not about treating the human system as separate parts. It is about intelligent structure, a more connected way to understand health, behavior, clarity, and performance, because better living begins with better systems. Nexora Health Systems. Restore, optimize, thrive. Intelligent systems engineering the future of human health. Human performance intelligence, powered by Zapzest Corp.